weather advisory. And I'm switching gears a little bit today. I'm gonna go fish some trout on a smaller creek, just to do something different. Been fishing steelhead a fair amount lately. So yeah, gonna try some trout work. Just walking in. Decided to park a little bit further away just because the road here is, there's a hill, there's some snow. We're supposed to get like ice later. Got 4-wheel drive, I can probably get out of this, but it's not that steep. Just didn't want to run the risk in case it gets like crazy icy. Starting with a floating line. Gonna probably switch over to some Aural line in a bit. God, this water's low. Low. Might have to just fish these bends. Man, this is crazy low. Here you can see how cold it is. Look at this. This is ice. I'm not gonna step on that because I'll go flying. I'm gonna have to cast way down. I would think anything that's in here is gonna know I'm there way ahead of time. I guess I'm gonna drop down into this ice. All right. So far, it's been pretty rough. Just put a white on. The fact that there's no water in here, making it really tough. Try this guy. Switch my rig over. Got throwing a Aural rig right now. This is about as deep a hole there's going to be in here. Is this spot. Got some pretty light bugs on. Hoping that I can move in there. It's still just so skinny. Look at this fish. Jesus. Gotta be kidding me. Amazing. Something is alive in here. Alright. Dark little brown trout. Cool looking little guy. Alright. There you go. Alright. One. Let me find a few more. I can barely even cast these. There's just no weight. There you go. Another little guy. Almost got that rod tip. Little dude on that hare's there again. Another little tiny brown. Kind of got a fish in there. Oh, we got off. Alright. Oh, dude, that was a better fish. Dang it! These eats are really soft. I mean, barely feeling them. Actually, I didn't even feel any of those. I just saw the line stop. There you go, another little dude. Well, plenty of little guys in there. Another little dude. I'll come up from that tree. I'll pull him up over. Look, I got off too. Come on, dude. Got him. God, man, I don't even have 2 tungsten bugs on here. Crazy. One's just a beadhead and one's a 3-3. Another little dude. Gotta be some better fish in there, man. That one's on the pheasant tail. There you go. That's a better fish. Oh, that's soft water. Alright. Heck yeah, dude. Not a bad trout. For this little river. Yeah. Alright. What'd you eat, little guy? What did you eat? Check that guy. I'm gonna get something in that slack water back there. There we go. A little better. Yeah, out of that slack water. No, I let a little guy. Thought it was better. A little peanut. Gotta be a better one in there. Come on. Well, here's the reader. Oops, that was out. Sorry, pal. Thought you were out of there. There we go. There we go. It's kind of where I wanted to be. There we go. That's a little better, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, another little guy. Another little guy. Oh, there, here's it again. Not a bad one. Shoot, I'll take these all day long. Cool it, pal. So, take these little dudes all day. Hey, he's a squirmy little cat. Alright, get out of here. Might start at the back. Okay, apparently there's fish in there. I need to put a bobber on just to move. That was a fish. Another one. Just gotta figure this out, I guess. Broke off again, so I'm gonna try another jig streamer in here. Look at that. Got one to eat on that thing. What do you know? Looking little dude. Alright. Get in that soft water back there. There we go. Look at this. Right out of that soft water. Kind of where I thought it was going to be. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. That was pretty sweet. Nice fish. Ah. Heck yeah. A nice trout. Alright. Good stuff. That's good stuff. Good winter fun. Look at this. Second cast in there. Another one. They're stacked in there. Alright. This is awesome. Look at this guy. A nice fish too. Real nice. Take these all day long. Alright. Let's go 3 for 3, man. God, I don't know what either. It's crazy. Oh my god, I just got eaten again. That's insane. Well, this day's turning out to be better than it started. I don't know if, like, with the snow something happened, or jigging the streamer like this. I had the floating line earlier that didn't do anything. What, like these fish now are, and they're not big, but dang, look at that. That's good stuff. This is crazy. How fat this dude is. Not the longest thing, but dang, he's fat. That thing. Sure like a bluegill. It's awesome. Wow. What a finish. I was planning on getting out of here because I mean, it hasn't been that great, but dang. Alright, so I'm just walking out. Didn't end up too bad. Caught some fish. Started slow. Picked up later. Now, I don't know if that was due to the zero streamer or if it was due to that floating line earlier I was throwing. It didn't seem to really do much. I don't know. Either way, we ended up catching quite a few fish, but nothing big but fun for winter and 32 degrees. And cool, man. Thanks for checking this out. It's kind of fun. Cool little winter thing to do instead of fishing the main rivers that there's 7,000 people on. It's kind of cool to come out and do something different on a small creek.